Yeah, today I'm going to swap the LED in this Lumintop Tool AA. It's a little flashlight. Currently has a green emitter, and I want to put an amber one inside instead. The pill in a Lumintop is reverse threaded. There's two little dots there. I need to use some tweezers. So that is the pill. There's the Osram green LED. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. These are a bunch of new LEDs that I got from Convoy flashlight. Just waiting for the soldering iron to heat up. It's about 360 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is one part. It is freezing. I can see my own breath. So I'm just in Australia. It's pretty cold here. This should pry up. And on the back, there's a bunch of thermal paste that just got everywhere. Okay, let me clean that. Use a bit of isopropyl to remove the thermal paste. That's nice and clean. It's got negative and positive. Just wanted to double check. So I got this multimeter hooked up in diode test mode. So with the multimeter, I can just confirm the direction or the polarity to make sure it's on the correct way. And if I get it the wrong way, I just swap it around. So yeah, just use a multimeter in diode test mode. It's got that picture of a little diode. That one. So let's hold that down and pull that up. So that is the LED. Take that off. So there's a bit of solder there. There's probably enough. It's probably enough on the pads. Could put a little bit more there. And I'll take out one of these amber Osram NM1 emitters. So really throwy. So on the back of the emitter, there are 3 pads, and there should be the anode marker on one of them. So I'm just going to guess and point that towards this way. Hopefully it's correct. The pads are not the right size, so hopefully it lines up. It's probably way too much solder. Looks like it's balancing. So put the the multimeter in diode test mode. Yeah, check the polarity. So let's turn the hot plate off. Try not to burn myself. Bit of a DIY hack. I'll just clean up thermal paste. I'll just replace the thermal paste with a little bit more Arctic MX4. Whoop, that's way too much. Just smush it back in. Need to solder it back in place. So let's put the centering ring on. There's the reflector. At least it's not broken. It's not perfect, but let's see if it works. It works. So I've just changed the LED. Nice, it's working. So it was green, but it was green before. Now it's amber. Joy finally got there. This is the Lumintop tool AA version 2.0. Let's see if we can break it. Here's a Vapsol H10 battery. So that's powerful. This one's pretty bright. So might let it run for a second. It's pretty cold here in Melbourne. I think there's going to be a frost in the morning. Should be getting down to 0 degrees Celsius. Cool. So that's a Lumintop. So far it hasn't broken, which is good. So yeah. That took longer than I expected. I need to keep practicing.